was I when I first seen old Rivers? Well, just can't recall when he weren't around. That old feller sure done a heap of work. Spent his whole life walking plowed ground. He had a one-room shack not far from us, and well, we was about as poor as him. And he had one old mule he called Midnight, and I'd trail along after them. He used to plow them rows straight and deep, and I'd come along there behind, busting up clods with my own 2 feet. Old Rivers was a friend of mine. When the sun would get high and that mule would work, and old Rivers would finally say, "Whoa," he'd wipe his brow and lean back on the reins and talk about a place he was gonna go. Saying, "One of these days, I'm gonna climb that mountain, walk up there among them clouds, when the cotton's high and the corn's growing, and there ain't no fields to plow." Got a letter today from the folks back home. They're all fine, crops are dry. Down near the end, Mom said, "I guess you know Rivers died." Sitting here now in this new plowed earth, trying to find me a little shade, with the sun beating down across the fields I see, that mule, old Rivers and me. Now one of these days, I'm gonna climb that mountain, walk up there among them clouds, when the cotton's high and the corn's growing, and there ain't no fields to plow. With the sun beating down across the fields I see, that mule, old Rivers and me.